Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Chris. Just want to give you guys a little update on the movie, how things are going, and answer anybody's questions that they might have and bring you up to date for where we are at now. And I know it's been a little bit since the last update, and the only reason for that is just there hasn't really been much new to talk about since the last one. As you know, we are slated to shoot the movie. We were supposed to do it last year, but when things didn't work out last year, we moved it to this year. And unfortunately, right now, as you know, everybody already knows, things are out of our hands with the whole pandemic going on. There's nothing we can really do about that. So, I don't know. I don't know when whole thing is going to be over, but when it is, we're going to go back to, figuring out when we can shoot this. Now, the movie is set, as you guys already know from the Kickstarter, in the fall. So we're supposed to shoot this in the early fall or, possibly the late summer. So somewhere around the end of August, early September. And we're already there right now. And again, there's nothing I can do with the pandemic going on. We started a couple years ago with a different director who's not working with us anymore. And now I have a new producer, which I'm excited about. I've been talking to him on the phone back and forth. His name is Adam Assad, and he's out in the LA area. He's a fellow vegan. One of my friends put me in touch with him, and I'm excited. I was supposed to meet with him in person, and I had a plane ticket to go out there to LA for the expo back in March, early March. And literally a day before we were supposed to go, everything got canceled and the whole pandemic happened. So I wasn't able to get out there. When things, go back to normal or more normal than they were before the pandemic, then we'll figure that out, and I'll try to get out there and meet with him and go over some logistics. I'm still talking about the movie all the time. I talk about it over on my YouTube channel just about every single week. So if you guys are, you want more personable updates and you want to interact, go follow me on my YouTube channel. It's actually my second channel, which you can find on the right-hand side of featured channels on my main channel. But I know not everybody watches the YouTube channel, so I think it's important to put, an update here as well, which, again, I always will when there is an update. Right now we're working on, what we're going to do for, obviously it's going to be next year because we're not going to film this in the winter. And we are filming it like we were originally going to right here in upstate New York. And we're just trying to go over the logistics with it. And again, this is something I think about just about every day. So, try not to be frustrated. I know it gets me frustrated about it because I really wish that I could take everything up here and put it on a screen like that. But it's just, it's not how it works. And, I guess I didn't realize that until, it was go time to make a professional movie. But again, it's something I think about every day. And in fact, I was just going over some of the scenes in the movie with a friend 2 nights ago, and it got me excited. And, every time I talk about it, I get excited and I want to get this going. And it's just unfortunate right now of, what's going on in the world. And, I apologize. We can't really do anything until, things go back to normal as far as, running a business or, getting people together in groups and stuff like that. Obviously, we want to be safe and, hopefully we can resume this next year. So as far as the funding goes, it's all still there. And I know that I spoke about it in my live streams. I was worried about the IRS taking a big portion of it, which a lot of people told me was going to happen. But it looks like we worked something out with my accountant, and it looks like they found kind of a way to go around there legally, of course, so that all of that doesn't get taken out, and we can use all of it towards the production of the movie and the rewards. As far as the rewards go, for the people that supported the Kickstarter and are either a part of the movie in a way. Whatever way, either being in the movie or being on set or, whatever your tier was that you supported, you will be updated, when we resume this. And, So just sit tight and stay tuned. And when we know more of when this is going to happen and we're going to shoot this, we will let everybody know in far enough advance so you can make, accommodations and preparations to be here when we shoot it, and all that good stuff. So don't worry about that. And yeah, I guess that's it for now. If there's any other questions, just ask them here, or again, if you can catch me in person when I'm live on the YouTube channel, you can follow me over there. So that's it. And again, thanks for your support, and I'll talk to you guys soon.